Chapter 21. Vocabulary. Onomatopoeic words. Onomatopoeic words are the words that imitates or suggests a sound. Examples: bang, chomp, crash, splash, yowl, told, tinkle, tick-tock, thump, moo, etc. The colored words are onomatopoeic words in the following sentences. 1. The leaves rustled in the wind. 2. The tinkling of the bell informed us that the guests had arrived. 3. Can you hear the buzz of the bees? 4. My brother loves to listen the popcorn popping in the microwave. 5. The cat squealed loudly. 6. The fire crackled in the fireplace. Synonyms and antonyms. The two words that have same or almost same meanings are called synonyms. Beautiful, pretty. Shout, yell. Speak, say. Tidy, clean. The two words that have opposite meanings are called antonyms. Absent, present. Friend, foe. Polite, rude. Strong, weak. Prefix. A letter or a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word to form a new word is called a prefix. Here is a list of some commonly used prefixes. Prefix, word. A, an, alive, a bathe, another. Anti, anticlockwise, antibiotic, anticlimax. Ill, in, im, ir, immoral, illegal, inconsiderate, irresponsible. Mis, misfortune, misbehave, misunderstand, misconduct. Over, overjoyed, overcast, overconfident, overcrowd, etc. Sub, subdivision, subinspector, submarine, subsoil, subset. D, demark, deforest, debug, dethrone. Dis, dishonest, disagree, disregard, disadvantage. Redo, reuse, reload, recycle, repaint, rebuild. Semi, semicircle, semifinal, semivowel, semiconductors. Undo, unlock, unplanned, untie, unprepared, unfit. Non-stop, nonsense, nonviolence. Suffix. A letter or a group of letters that is attached to the end of a word to form a new word or to alter the grammatical function of the original word is called a suffix. Here is a list of some commonly used suffixes. Suffix, words. AC, privacy, democracy, autocracy. Full, beautiful, powerful, graceful, delightful, handful. Less, careless, heartless, careless, cheerless, shameless. Ly, clearly, absolutely, cleverly, elderly, quietly. Dam. Kingdom, freedom, wisdom, stardom, boredom. Ness, heaviness, unpleasantness, silliness, kindness. Ship, fellowship, kinship, friendship, ownership. Tie-in, scion. Construction, transition, concession, corruption. Ment, apartment, engagement, department, compartment. Able, excitable, potable, presentable, liable, workable. Cule, molecule, ridicule. Awaken, fasten, strengthen, whiten. Gone, hexagon, pentagon, octagon, heptagon, decagon. Hood, childhood, motherhood, neighborhood, priesthood. IAL, celestial, editorial, material, essential. Homophones. Homophones are the words that are similar in pronunciation but different in meaning. Distinction of words is similar in form of sound. 1. Air, atmosphere. There are many minute particles in the air. Heir, one who inherits. Rajesh is the heir to his father's property. Pronounced as heir, H is silent. To altar, a place of worship or for sacrifice, they placed the offerings at the altar. Alter, to change, he cannot alter his decision. 3. Beach, seashore, we saw some young boys and girls playing on the beach. Beech, a kind of tree, there are some beech trees in our garden. 4. Blue, color, the sky is blue. Blue, second form of verb, blow, the boy blew a whistle. 5. Break, he will break the stick. Brake, his bike has no brakes. 6. Coarse, rough, her sari is made of coarse cloth. Course, path, the ship changed its course. 7. Die, expire, Piku died of fever. Dye, color, the old man dyes his grey hair. 8. Diary, daily record, write them in your diary. Dairy, a place where milk is sold, they buy milk from the dairy. 9. Floor, the lower surface of a room, the floor is plastered. Flour, a powder obtained by grinding grain, flour is used for making bread. 10. Gate, an entrance, that is the main gate of their school. Gait, manner of walking, Tia's gait is graceful. 11. Heal, cure, this wound will heal in a month. Heel, the curved hind part of the foot, a thorn pricked into my heel. 12. Idol, image, many people worship idols. Idle, without work, he is idle these days. 13. Naughty, difficult, it is a naughty task. Naughty, mischievous, avoid naughty boys. 14. Loose, not tight, she wears loose clothes. Lose, cease to have, he will lose everything in gambling. 15. Lesson, exercise, Jatin learns his lesson daily. Lesson, make less, this medicine will lessen your back pain. 16. Peace, a state of calmness, the world wants peace, not war. Peace, a part, give him a piece of apple. 17. Pray, offer prayers, we pray to God every day. Prey, hunting animal, the lion is a beast of prey. 18. Pair, a set of two, I have a pair of sandals. Pair, cut, pare your nails once a week. 19. Principal, chief, head, our principal is a kind man. Principle, rule of conduct, they have set certain principles of life. 20. Quite, completely, she is quite well here. Quite, silent, please, keep quiet. 21. Rain, it may rain now. Rain, rule, Akbar reigned over India. Rein, bridle, we use reins to control a horse. 22. Right, every citizen should fight for his rights. Right, she writes a good novel. Right, solemn religious act, wedding rites were performed in the temple. 23. Stationery, writing material, Joy deals in stationery. Stationery, not moving, the tree is stationary. 24. Steel, metal, the knife is made of steel. Steal, robbers steal things. 25. Team, a set of players, our cricket team won the match. Team, abound, the river teems with fish. Similes, a group of words involving the comparison of one thing with another things of a different kind, used to make a description more forceful, enjoyable or colorful, is called a simile. Similes are used in any piece of writing. We can create our own similes by comparing two unlike things with the words as or like as cold as ice, as tall as giraffe, as sweet as sugar, like a red rose, beauty, like a dog, sleep, like a horse, hungry. Appropriate preposition. Some words followed by appropriate prepositions are given below. 1. Accustomed to, he is not accustomed to taking tea. Afraid of, they are not afraid of danger. Agree with, I agree with you. Agree to, do you agree to their proposal? Angry with, the teacher is angry with Rajesh. Arrive at, the train arrived at Delhi station. Ashamed of, she was ashamed of his sons. 2. Beware of dogs. Born of, he was born of poor parents. 3. Call for, pollution in Delhi calls for urgent attention. Consists of, it consists of 40 rooms. Cure of, quinine cures you of malaria. 4. Deal in, Tom deals in tobacco. Deprive of, they are deprived of his money. Die of, many people die of cholera. 5. Eager for, he is eager for praise. Engaged in, we are engaged in hard labor. Engaged to, he is engaged to a rich girl. 6. Falls to, Ritesh is false to everyone. Feed on, silkworms feed on mulberry leaves. Faith in, keep faith in God. Fond of, I am fond of sweets. 7. Good at, she is good at maths. Greedy for, a miser is always greedy for money. 8. Hope for, she always hopes for the best. Hopeful of, I am hopeful of our success. 9. Invite to, they invited us to supper. Inferior to, jute bag is inferior to plastic bag. Inspire with, the Guru inspired his followers with noble ideals. Injurious to, smoking is injurious to health. Insist on, Rahul insists on drawing a picture. Interfere with, she never interfered with me in my work. 10. Jealous of, they are jealous of one another. Jeer at, don't jeer at the lame. Jump to, never jump to hasty decisions.